Hello, everyone. Welcome to the second episode of Elmo's Clues. Remember from last time's episode you played my game? Yes. Well, this is the second time you're gonna do it. I'll be right back real quick. Hey, everyone. Anyways, for real now, I want you to meet my friend from Sesame Street, Elmo. Hi, guys. So, Elmo, remember from last time's episode we played your game? Yep, this is the second time you're gonna do it. So, what do you want to do today? I think I want to play something since it's almost summer. What do you want to play? You have to play my clues to figure it out. Okay, so how are we gonna get this paw print off? Let's see what will happen if we poke on it. Wow. We need our handy dandy notebook. Notebook, right. Hey, Side Kippledor, can we please have our notebook? Sure. Thanks. You're welcome. Here it is. Now, before we find our first clue, I just want to know, why is there my soccer ball doing in the living room? A clue! A clue! Where's the first clue? You're holding it. You're right. It is a clue on a soccer ball. A soccer ball must be our first clue. We need to write it on a handy dandy notebook. Notebook. Right. We got a soccer ball. Let's start with a circle like this. Then we'll draw a pentagon shape. And now line to and add half of the pentagon shape. Two more on the bottom. One more. There, a soccer ball. So our first clue is a soccer ball. What does Elmo want to do with the soccer ball? Maybe he wants to kick the soccer ball, but we need to find two more clues just to be sure. But after I show you something about what do we hit with the ball sometimes. This is a pin. A clue, a clue. You found the second clue? Where? On a pin. You're right, it is on a pin. A pin must be our second clue. We need to write in our handy dandy notebook. Notebook, right. We got a pen. We'll make a fat shape like this, a small round shape like that. We'll add stripes to it, and there, we have a pin. So what was our first clue? A soccer ball. A soccer ball, right. Now our second clue is a bowling pin. What does Elmo want to play with a soccer ball and a pin? We need to look for one more clue just to be sure. But after I show you one more thing, we hit something on a small ball that goes in a hole. This is a golf club. A clue, a clue. On a golf club. You know what we need? Our handy dandy notebook. Notebook, right. We got a golf club. Watch how it goes. First, let's draw a rectangle. And then a round shape like this. There, a golf club. Hey, that was the last clue from Elmo. Now we're ready for our thinking chair. Let's go, Elmo. Elmo wants to be clues the second time? Yep, alright. Now that we're on our thinking chair, let's think. We need to figure out what Elmo likes to do. Or play, I mean. And our clues are a soccer ball, a pin, and a club. What does he like to play with a soccer ball, pin, and a club? We know we can use a soccer ball with our feet to kick it. And maybe we can use a other ball that's harder and hit the pin. And we can use a club to get a small hard ball into the hole. What are those types of stuff? Sports! Sports? Is that what you want to do, Elmo? Yes! We just figured out Elmo's clues! Because we're really smart. So, Elmo, what game do you want to play first? I think I'll go with soccer. I got the soccer ball, which is a clue. So it's about time we come to the end of the second episode of your own show and sing this along song first. Then we can play soccer. Okay, thanks for doing your part. You sure are smart, you know, to me and you. And my friend Elmo, we can do anything that we want to do. We're gonna play soccer, so goodbye.